Hello friends, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get latest update of my channel. Thank you.
Okay friends, in the last video you have watched uh, I done this plus sign button if user click it is just only alert. Okay, in this video we will try to finish this with when user will click on this plus button, new row will be create with animation. Okay, so for that you have constructor function with super. That is very common, I think you know, already know this. Inside constructor function you need to declare three things. I will explain one by one. First of all, we will declare index. Index will be your array index, start with 0, as you know. And now this state, now you will declare state value, that will be empty array. Okay, here you can use any name for array. I will use here value array, and of course it's empty. And after this you will declare default any method value. Any method value, this will any method function dot value by default 0. Okay, now inside your button click, just disable and comment, you can delete alert, just start actual coding. Okay, here you will declare default value of any method value, and you will set value to simply by default 0. Okay, we will change it, okay, by dynamically. Okay, now just create a new new variable. You can add any name for this. I name it new add, new array, new something, you can do it. Okay, inside this you will put index. Index will be fill this dot index, which we declare inside constructor function. Okay, after this line you will set the state and fill up your array, which will empty array. Now you will fill that array. Okay, here you will say your array name is value array, and inside you have to put this dot state dot value array. Okay, and second thing, your new add array, this variable. Okay, you have to add here. Okay, after this comma, start a new function, but before this add a your semicolon, so nothing is error. And inside this you will put let me change the view of my atom. Okay, now here you will update animation. Okay, and here you will start your animation animated dot timing. Okay, here you will put your timing and inside this you will add this dot animated value. It's your own variable, default variable, and let me arrange this. Okay, and here start. In start you will say when animation will run. Now you will say what will be happen here. Okay, here you will say update my index value this dot index plus 1 every time new row will be created. Okay, and here you have to put some default values like two value. It is compulsory to put here your values. Okay, and duration, how speed of your animation. Okay, after duration you will say use native driver true. This is by device will enable that your animation. Okay, after this your add more functionality is completed, but you have to put here your uh, like say value of animation you will put here. Okay, so for that construct use any name for this. You will say animation animator power. This is okay, I think. Inside this dot animator value dot interpolate. Okay, interpolate is function which you will use to put your values for animation. Okay, and here value will be input range. It will be by array. Okay, 0 to 1 output range also by array. Here you can play with it. Any number you need you can add here. I put here play with it. Okay, uh, that's nice. Now after this main part of this video, let rows use any name for this. This is we will display our actual result. Okay, inside this dot state dot value array, sorry, value array dot map. Inside the map you will put item comma key. These two parameter we will use again and again to display our desirable result. Okay, and inside this you will ask if key equal to this dot index. That means if your row is equal to your index, then you will display something else, and if it's not equal to index then you will display something else. Inside this both you will return the view. Okay, here also return. Let me complete my else part first. Here is view. Inside the view you put simply text, and row will be, you can put item dot index. This will show count. Okay, but main thing is you need to separate all row by id. So as a id I will use key. Okay, here also you will put animation, animated view, and key same. This is your key. Okay, close this animated dot view. Change this caps lock. Okay, capitalize, I mean. Okay, inside this simply your text item dot index to just to see its value. Okay, now let me test this. I have a error here. Interpolate. Okay, I have a 34 number line error here. Interpolate. Let me reload. Okay, this is the part where is error. We can make it met. Okay, reload this. Okay, here is the error. Its V is capitalized. Okay, reload. Let me check. Nothing is happening. Okay. I'm so sorry. I forget to add here your output, which we will display here. And here in the scroll view, you will put here view. Okay, simply view, and inside the view, you will put here your array. Array is rows. Save it. Reload. Let me reload this also. It's not reloading. Okay, my iPhone is not reloading. Click on this. Now you can see it's counting, but it's not working like that, because inside your where you put the array, you have to put this three dots. I don't know why this, I can't explain this, but it's working like this. Okay, here reload again, click. Now you can see it's working, but without animation, because I am not using. I comment this. Okay, main thing, you have to add here some style. Okay, style will be background color mainly black. You can put any margin 10, padding 10. Copy this style, use for this here. Okay, now reload. I don't know why my iPhone is not reloading. Let me quit this and let me reload this again. Okay, okay. Now inside my Android, you will see this is your data. Now it's blank because I have to put here text style also. Color white. Okay. Inside here also style color white. Okay. And second thing, you have to comment this. Okay, save it. Now you can see it's your actual view. Let me check on side iPhone also. Okay, that's fine. Now we need to do it with animation. Let me uncomment this, save it. Hopefully it's not error here. Reload. Now you will see nothing changes because I have to put this animation value inside your data here styling. So here is transform will be uh, by array. Okay, don't confuse this. This is just a array, and inside this translate y, y or x, you can use anything, just any method power. It will be grab this value for this style. Okay, save it. Let me reload both manually. Now first I will check on my Android. Now you can see it's animation. My iPhone. Okay, here you can play with it, duration like a speed little bit less. Now if I click on plus, it will be slowly, very slowly, because it's now 3 seconds. You can see it's very slowly. 500 means half second. Okay, reload. Now you can play with it. I recommend change this value as you want. How? Let me show you. If I change this minus to plus, you will see its direction will be changed. Before this, your animation come up top to bottom. Now it will be opposite direction. Let me reload again. Click on plus sign. You can see changes. Is your animation now. one more thing, you can change and use as you want. Translate. Use Y to X. Save it. Let me reload. First of all, let me check on iPhone. Now you can see it's your view. Animation is direction changing. If I using with, let me check on Android also. Then after that I will change this X to Y again. Reload. Click on plus sign. Now you can see it's changing the direction. Here now make it any value 70 as you want. Change it X. Reload. Click on plus sign. Is now left to right. Is new animation. You can play with it as you want. So guys, if you have any suggestion about animation, please drop comment. If you like my effort, please click on like button. Thank you. It's now scroll. Thank you guys.